Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best clear measuring cup set available on the market. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, precise measurement is key to perfecting your recipes, and this measuring cup set delivers exactly that. This set includes 3 commonly used sizes, all made from sturdy, BPA-free plastic. You get a large 1000 milliliters cup, which is about 4 cups or 32 ounces, a medium 600 milliliters cup, equivalent to 2.5 cups or 12 ounces, and a small 300 milliliters cup, or 1.5 cups and 20 ounces. This range covers most of your cooking and baking needs, whether you're measuring liquids like water or milk, or dry ingredients such as flour and powder. One of the standout features is how clear and easy to read these cups are. They are crafted from extremely transparent, high-quality plastic with black silk screen printing for the measurement scales. This design ensures that the markings are bright and highly visible, so you can get precise measurements every time without any guesswork. Each cup offers 3 different scales: cups, ounces, and milliliters. This versatility allows you to measure in whichever unit your recipe requires, adding convenience and reducing the need for conversion calculations. The cups also feature a spout, making pouring your measured ingredients smooth and mess-free. Durability is another strong point for this set. The plastic is thickened and food-grade, which means it's safe for direct contact with food and built to last. These cups can withstand the occasional drop without cracking or breaking easily. Plus, they handle a temperature range from 0 to 80 degrees Celsius, so you can measure both cold and hot substances without worrying about damage. While these cups are heat-resistant, it's recommended to avoid dishwasher use as the high-pressure water jets could wear off the measurement markings over time. Hand washing will keep them in great condition and preserve their clarity and precision. In terms of size, the package is compact, making storage simple and convenient. You can nest the cups together to save space in your kitchen drawers or cabinets. Overall, this measuring cup set offers an excellent balance of clarity, accuracy, durability, and versatility, making it a top choice for anyone looking for reliable measuring tools in the kitchen. If you want to cook and bake with confidence, these cups can help ensure your ingredients are always just right. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.